Breaking. As of January 1st, 2026, brand new immigration processing rules are directly hitting thousands of green card holders and applicants when it comes to getting a social security number and starting work or benefits. If you are a lawful permanent resident, waiting for adjustment of status, on TPS, asylum work permit, or helping family immigrate, these changes can delay your SSN by weeks or months, stop you from starting a job fast, and even slow building credits for future Social Security retirement or disability payments. This is real and happening right now across the country. Stay with me the full hour because I will break down exactly what changed, why, who gets affected most, real stories from immigrants already dealing with it, step by step what you must do today, and the one move that protects your long-term benefits. Do not skip ahead. The fix at the end could save you thousands in lost wages and credits. Welcome, everyone. This is your trusted source for clear immigration and Social Security updates. Today is January 4th, 2026, and these rules just started 3 days ago. No fear. Green card holders still qualify for Social Security the same way with enough work credits. But the process to get your Social Security number changed big time. The biggest shift is the Social Security Administration stopping something called Enumeration Beyond Entry, or EBE. That program used to give many new immigrants an SSN automatically when USCIS approved their green card or work permit. You checked a box on Form I-485 or arrival documents, and SSA mailed the card without you going anywhere. Now that is paused nationwide. New arrivals or adjusters without a prior SSN must visit an SSA office in person to apply. Appointments are backing up fast. Let us go deeper on what stopped and why it matters so much. Enumeration Beyond Entry started years ago to make life easier for legal immigrants. USCIS shared data with SSA, and if you requested it, they issued the SSN card automatically, often within weeks of approval. This helped millions start jobs quickly, open banks, file taxes, and begin earning Social Security credits. Credits are quarters of work where you pay into the system. You need 40 for retirement eligibility. Now, in 2026, SSA paused EBE for better identity verification and to fight fraud. Fraud cases rose with fake applications and identity theft. SSA says they need in-person proof like passport, green card stamp, or I-551 card plus birth certificate. No end date announced, so the pause continues. Result? Longer waits. Some SSA offices have appointment slots weeks out. Walk-ins face hours in line. Without SSN, employers cannot put you on payroll legally. No paycheck, no credits toward future benefits. Who still gets automatic? Very few now, mainly some refugees or specific parole programs. Most family-based, employment-based, diversity visa winners and adjustment of status applicants lost the easy path. TPS renewals, OPT extensions, asylum EADs also affected if no prior SSN. Real impact. You arrive with green card January 2nd, excited to work. Need SSN for I-9 form. Cannot start job until you get it. Lose weeks of pay. Those weeks mean fewer credits. Over time, missing credits can lower retirement check or block eligibility. Comment below right now. Are you waiting for SSN now? Which country are you from? We build community here. The groups most severely impacted by the January 1st, 2026 pause in the Enumeration Beyond Entry program are those who previously relied on automatic Social Security number issuance during their immigration process, now facing mandatory in-person visits to SSA offices that cause significant delays in starting work and building benefits credits. The hardest hit include brand new green card holders entering the U.S. after the cutoff date. These individuals clear customs with their I-551 passport stamp confirming lawful permanent resident status, but without the former automatic SSN processing, they must immediately locate and visit the nearest Social Security Administration office, often traveling long distances while juggling settlement needs like housing and family. This group includes employment-based immigrants, family-sponsored arrivals, and diversity visa winners who planned quick job starts but now risk weeks without pay. Similarly affected are those adjusting status inside the country via Form I-485, covering family petitions, employer sponsors, and asylum approvals. Approvals granted in 2026 no longer trigger automatic SSN issuance forcing recipients to schedule appointments amid already stressful post-approval transitions, delaying payroll onboarding and tax filing. Another deeply affected category includes temporary protected status holders from countries like Venezuela, Haiti, Ukraine, and Sudan, who are renewing their employment authorization documents. Many in this group never received an SSN previously due to their temporary status, and now face the added burden of in-person applications just to obtain one, compounding challenges in states requiring SSN-linked driver's licenses or professional certifications. Students transitioning from optional practical training or STEM extensions to permanent residency also fall into this high-impact zone, as their time-sensitive career starts in tech or research fields get disrupted without quick SSN access. Diversity visa lottery winners arriving throughout 2026 face the same abrupt change, turning what was meant to be a smooth entry into a logistical hurdle right at the start of their American journey. Real-life examples highlight the human cost. Raj from India, whose adjustment of status was approved in December 2025, received his SSN automatically and started work seamlessly, while his brother, approved mere weeks later in January 2026, had to wait 2 months for an SSA appointment, losing an estimated $8,000 in wages and valuable early work credits toward future retirement benefits. Anna from Honduras, renewing her TPS-based EAD, endured a 3-week wait that prevented her from obtaining a state driver's license tied to an SSN, effectively halting her ability to commute to essential jobs. Carlos, an asylum winner who secured his EAD, missed the start date for a construction position because he lacked an SSN for payroll, forfeiting not just immediate income, but critical quarters of coverage needed for a potential disability claim down the line. These delays disproportionately harm low-wage workers who can least afford lost time, turning every missed week into both immediate financial strain and long-term reductions in Social security. In the next part, I clear the biggest rumors spreading fear. One myth alone is scaring thousands unnecessarily. Time to stop the rumors making this worse. Rumor 1, new rules mean green card holders lose Social Security eligibility. False. Lawful permanent residents still qualify for retirement, survivors, or disability benefits with 40 credits, same as citizens. SSI has 5-year wait for most new LPRs plus low-income rules. Nothing changed there. Rumor 2, this is new public charge blocking benefits. No. Public charge applies to certain aid like food stamps, not earned Social Security credits. Rumor 3, SSA pausing EBE means no SSNs for immigrants ever. Wrong. Pause is temporary for review. In-person still works, just slower. Rumor 4, undocumented can get SSN now. Absolutely not. Only authorized immigrants. Truth, core rights protected. You earn credits legally, you get benefits. Delay is administrative hassle, not denial. Good news, once you have SSN, direct deposit works normal. Future COLA boosts apply same. But delays cost real money. Next, exact steps to get SSN fast and protect credits. Here is what you must do today. Step 1. Schedule SSA appointment immediately. Go to ssa.gov AuthSS number or call 1-800-772-1213. Choose closest office. Bring original passport, green card, or I-551 stamp, birth certificate, marriage certificate if name changed. Translations if needed. Step 2. Track USCI's case online. If approved recently, check if SSN request processed before pause. Step 3. If waiting adjustment, talk to lawyer about requesting SSN separately if possible. Step 4. Start job search but explain delay to employers. Many understand and wait. Step 5. Once SSN arrives, update everywhere. Bank, employer, IRS for taxes. Step 6. Work every quarter possible. 4 quarters year gives 4 credits. Maximize early years. Step 7. Save pay stubs and W-2s. Proof for future claims. Avoid mistakes. Do not delay appointment. Waits grow. Do not use fake SSN. Huge penalties. Do not give up. In person always works. Over 70% delays from slow scheduling. Book today. Get number in weeks, not months. Next, long-term effects and how to build strong benefits record. These new delays in getting a Social Security number can cause serious long-term damage to your future benefits because every week or month without an SSN means you cannot start a legal job, which directly translates to missing out on valuable work credits. Those are the quarters of employment where you pay into the Social Security system, and you need a full 40 credits, roughly 10 years of work, to qualify for retirement benefits, disability payments, or survivor benefits for your family. For example, if a new green card holder waits 2 months for an SSN and misses starting a job, that's potentially 8 lost credits right at the beginning of your U.S. work history. Catching up later becomes much harder, especially if you're older or face health issues, resulting in a permanently smaller monthly retirement check, sometimes hundreds less per month, or even complete ineligibility if you never reach 40 credits, leaving you reliant only on limited options like spousal benefits or no Social Security at all. The impact compounds over time because missed early credits reduce your overall average earnings record, lowering the benefit formula calculation, and for immigrants starting later in life, those initial delays can cut lifetime payouts by tens of thousands of dollars. On the other hand, SSI, Supplemental Security Income, works differently. It's a needs-based program for low-income seniors or disabled people and doesn't require work credits at all. But most new green card holders still face a strict 5-year waiting period from the date you become a lawful permanent resident before you can even apply, regardless of SSN delays. To build a strong benefits record and protect yourself, focus on working legally every possible quarter once you have your SSN. Aim to earn at least the minimum required per year, about $6,560 in 2026 for 4 credits. Pay taxes properly to get credited, and check your earnings record yearly through your free My Social Security account to catch any errors early. A helpful family tip is to sponsor relatives as soon as you qualify because immigration backlogs can stretch 10-20 years for some countries, allowing them to start building U.S. work credits much sooner. In the future, the SSA might restart the automatic enumeration beyond entry program or streamline in-person processes as they address fraud concerns, so stay updated via official SSA alerts. And coming up next is that one bonus action that can speed up your SSN process dramatically. Don't miss it. The bonus tip that most immigrants overlook, and one that can speed up your Social Security number process significantly, is to proactively request an SSN directly at the port of entry if your visa category or parole status still allows for faster processing in 2026. While the enumeration beyond entry program is paused for many, certain groups like refugees, asylees with approved EADs, some parolees, such as Ukrainians or Afghans under specific programs, or those entering on visas that historically qualified, can still ask the Customs and Border Protection Officer during admission to initiate SSN issuance on the spot or flag your record for priority handling, which often results in the card arriving in weeks instead of months after an in-person SSA visit. Always politely ask the officer at secondary inspection if possible. Provide your immigration documents and confirm they note the request. Many report success this way even post-pause, saving crucial time for starting work, earning credits toward future retirement or disability benefits, and avoiding lost wages that could total thousands during delays. The second overlooked bonus is to apply for an individual taxpayer identification number, ITIN, from the IRS right away if you're waiting on your SSN, as this allows you to file taxes legally, report income, and keep your financial record clean without complications. An ITIN works for tax purposes only, not for work or benefits claiming, but it prevents issues like unpaid tax penalties or gaps in your history that could hurt future Social Security credit verification. Simply submit Form W-7 with your tax return and proof of identity, and you'll maintain compliance while building toward eligibility. Thank you for watching the full hour. You now have a complete understanding of the 2026 Green Card SSN rules and how to navigate them confidently. Please comment below with your current immigration status, country of origin, and any delays you're facing so we can spot patterns and help each other. Share this video urgently with friends and family in immigrant communities, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for the next critical update. Your green card journey is important. These steps protect your hard-earned American dream. See you soon. Stay strong. This video is for general information and educational purposes only. It is not legal, immigration, or financial advice. Rules can change quickly, and your situation may vary based on individual circumstances. Always consult a qualified immigration attorney, accredited representative, or official sources like uscis.gov and ssa.gov for personalized guidance. We are not responsible for any actions taken based on this content.